Now here's a hack for all of you who want to solve problems real fast. A very simple system of linear equations can be solved, but also a very complicated equation can be solved using this very same method. Here you're given a set of equations and you're asked to find the value of x. Now usually you can use the method of elimination or substitution to find the answer, but here's a very fast method. All you need is a little bit of practice, and I'm going to show you how to solve it. You're first going to draw this line, and on top of it you're going to take this number here and multiply it with 10. So you got 30. You're going to take this number here and you got this number and you multiply them. So 4 times 9 is 36. And then subtract them. And then at the bottom here, you're going to take this number and multiply it with this number. So you got 3 times 4 is 12. And you take this number here, multiplied with this number. So 2 times 3 is 6. Put a negative sign between them. And then finally, don't forget to put a negative sign in front of them. And that literally is your answer. You just need to simplify it a little bit. So 30 minus 36 is negative 6 divided by 12 minus 6, which is 6. Note that you've got a negative sign here as well, because that's part of the hack. So negative times negative is going to become positive, so you can cancel them out and you're left with just 6 divided by 6, which is equal to 1. And so 1 is your correct answer. Let's review this hack one quick time. So you've got x here, y here, and the constant on the right hand side. And to evaluate or find the value of x, you're first going to cross multiply these two numbers and subtract them. Then you're going to take this number, and similarly you're going to subtract them here in the denominator and just put a negative sign and solve it to get the answer. It's definitely going to save you at least 20 to 30 seconds while solving linear equations. Now you try this very similar problem. You've got this system of equations and you're again asked to find x. Note that they're already in that x plus y is equal to a constant form. All you got to do is first find the numerator here, multiply these two numbers, subtract one from the other. Then the denominator, multiply these two numbers here, subtract one from the other. Numerator divided by denominator, and then don't forget to put the negative sign. It should take you less than 15 seconds to solve this problem. All right, hopefully you're able to find the answer. So the first step is, of course, this thing here, the numerator. So I'm going to draw a line over here, and then 5 times 10 is 50 minus 3 times 12 is 36. 50 and 36, and I put a negative sign in between them. Now let's try to find the denominator section. 2 times 3 is 6, so we write down 6 here, and 4 times 5 is 20, so we write down 20 here, put a negative sign, and then don't forget to put a negative right over here, and you're done. All you got to do is just simplify this. So 50 minus 36 is positive 14, 6 minus 20 is negative 14, and then don't forget to put this negative sign because that's the part of the hack as well. So negative and negative cancel out one more time and you're just left with 14 over 14, which is equal to 1. That's how simple this hack can be.